Good morning, students. So let us continue with the numerical problems of lesson number 9, that is force and laws of motion. Now see the next question, which is a car starts from rest and acquire a velocity of 54 km per hour in 2 seconds. Find the acceleration, the distance traveled by the car, and the force acting on it. So firstly, write down what is given to you. So as the car starts from rest, so u is 0 meter per second and v is 54 kilometer per hour. So convert it into meter per second by multiplying it by 5 by 18 and you will get final velocity as 15 meter per second, and time is given to you as 2 seconds. So firstly you have to calculate the acceleration, and you know the formula for acceleration, that is change in velocity with respect to time, which can be written as v minus u upon t. Put the values. 15 minus 0 upon 2, which comes out to be 7.5 meter per second square. In the second part, you have to calculate the distance, which can be calculated by using the second equation of motion, which is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Put the values. This will become 0 as u is 0. Half acceleration is 7.5 and time is 2 into 2 because square is there. So when we solve this, it comes out to be 15 meter. Now in third part, you have to calculate the force, which is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is given to you as 1000 kg and acceleration is 7.5. So the force comes out to be 7500 Newton. Now see the next question. A hockey ball of mass 0.2 kg traveling at 10 meter per second is struck by a hockey stick so as to return it along its original path with a velocity at 2 meter per second. Now you have to calculate the change of momentum occurred in the motion of the hockey ball. So first of all, write down what is written or given. Mass is given 0.2 kg. Initially the velocity was 10 meter per second and finally it was 2 meter per second, and we have to calculate the change of momentum. We know the formula for momentum, which is mv. Change in momentum can be written as final momentum minus initial momentum, and this can be written as final velocity minus initial velocity. M can be taken out as common. Now put the values. 0.2, v is 2 minus u is 10. So this comes out to be 0.2 into minus 10. When you solve this, you will get minus 8 by 5. And in decimal comes out to be 1.6 minus 1.6 kg meter per second. Kg meter per second. So this is the answer. So here negative sign indicates a change in direction of hockey ball after it is struck by a hockey stick. So this is the answer. Now see one more question. Two objects of masses of 100 gram and 200 gram are moving in along the same line and direction with velocities of 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second respectively. They collide, and after collision the first object moves at a velocity of 1.67 meter per second. Now determine the velocity of the second object. So here m1 is given to you as 100 gram. Convert it into kilogram, then you get 0.1 kg. M2 is also given in gram, that is 200 gram. Convert it into kilogram, you will get 0.2 kg. Here U1 is 2 meter per second and U2 is 1 meter per second. V1 is given to you as 1.67 meter per second, and you have to calculate the V2. So by law of conservation of momentum, we know that initial momentum of an object is equal to final momentum of an object, m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So put the values here, 0.1, 2, 0.2, 1 equal to 0.1 into 1.67 plus 0.2 into V2. And when you will solve this equation, when you solve this for V2, you will get final velocity as 1.165 meter per second. This is the answer. So this means that it will move in the same direction after collision as there is no negative sign. So I hope all these numericals of lesson number 9, that is force and laws of motion, are clear to you all. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss some more important numerical of other chapter.